जी हाँ, my upcoming project, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell, look out for it. End of this year, the shooting of this project should start very soon. I'm very excited. बैंड बाजा बारात की टीम एक बार फिर धमाकेदार फिल्म बनाने के चक्कर में जुटी हुई है. The dream team is back together. I'm very happy to tell you guys that Manish is directing it, Anushka is in it. Everybody, the technical team, the ADs, everybody is back together. I think we synced beautifully and made an honest effort in Band Baja Barat, and we're going to try our best to deliver a quality product once again. It's very different, बहुत ही different film है. Band Baja Barat की तरह बिल्कुल नहीं है. उस zone से बिल्कुल हट के किसी और ही zone में चले गए हैं, लेकिन team same है. So we are experimenting, we are exploring ourselves. Hopefully जितना appreciation Band Baja को मिला, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell को भी मिलेगा. So please look out for it. End of this year, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell. Parineeti Chopra, I've worked with her before. She used to be in the marketing division of YRF. She's an extremely sincere girl, and even when I used to interact with Parineeti on a regular basis, because we were working on the promotions of Band Baja Barat, I used to see that she's got this spark, and not knowing that she was harboring any wishes to become an actor, I used to tell her, "Yeah, you should be in front of the camera." So yeah, I think what I saw in Parineeti is now Manish is able to see it, Adi sir is able to see it, and she's in the film. I think she's going to do a fabulous job. I'm very, very excited to be working with her. I am playing a con man in Ladies vs. Ricky Bell, but that doesn't mean to say I'm not cool with myself. I'm very cool with myself. But in Ladies vs. Ricky Bell, I will have many, many, many different looks. Since I'm playing a con man, I'm going to take on these various exciting avatars. I'm very, very excited to be working on this character. And yes, it is a look-oriented film. And I have Mr. Aki Narula styling me. And I'm very excited to be working with him. And Band Baja Barat mein, you know, Bittu Sharma was just a regular guy. He didn't really care about the way he looks. And that's why Bittu was the way Bittu looks. But Ricky Bell, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell is a very look-oriented film. So a lot of the preparation of Ricky Bell involves a lot of deciding how he'll look, what he'll wear, what he'll look like, this, that and the other. So basically, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell is a look-oriented film. You will see me like you've never seen me before, although you've only seen me once. But it'll be fun, I promise you. It's not my choice. I think Anushka is perfect for the character that she's playing, and that's why she's in the film. I'm very thrilled to have her in the film because she's the most supportive co-actor one can ever get. She's brilliant. I think amongst her contemporaries, she's the best actor. So I'm absolutely thrilled to bits that she's in my second film as well. But yeah, I want to work with everyone. It's not like I'll only work with Anushka, I only want to work with Anushka. As an actor, I want to work with various different actors. But yeah, that I'm very, very thrilled that Anushka is in my second film. Look, Yash Raj is pretty much the most premier production house in the country. Why would I not want to do more and more and more films with Yash Raj? I would love to work with them all my life, let alone for my next 2 films. But yeah, I'm very happy that I was launched under Yash Raj. Who wouldn't? It's a dream launch. And who wouldn't want to work in a Yash Raj film? I remember people used to tell me, yeah, actors come and they work their way up and then they finally get to be in a Yash Raj film. I got it in my... I'm very privileged that I got launched by Yash Raj. So yeah, if Adi sir considers me worthy for the rest of my life, I will always work with Yash Raj films. Let aside everything, they are simply the most professional, efficient, principled, creatively solid production house out there. I'm very, very proud to be associated with Yash Raj.